Hello everybody, how are we all? Update on yesterday first. It didn't do what it said on the tin from the live stream, if you don't know. Done a live stream yesterday. And it didn't do what it said on the tin. But it felt like it. Oh, and my belly. And I should have put my toilet roll in the freezer this morning. I'm telling you, that's all I'm going to say about it. But oh yeah, and I'm not in a very good way. I'm not in a very good way at all. So today I'm going somewhere to get, it's only down the road from us, to get something for tomorrow's video. And what I might do is just do a snack van or something, because my belly's, so I might get a bit of grease down me or something. Yeah, this is what I'm going to get for tomorrow's video. Where I get it from, it's a Midlands thing really, but I do it on Amazon anyway. But let me show you where I'm going. Tippers, water tippers, guys. It's if you don't know water tippers, it's a bit like Jewson's and Travis Perkins. It's a builders merchants. That's where we're going.
Why are you looking at me like you actually requested it?
Oh. Oh yeah, how are we?
Oh, mate,
Oh yeah.
That's a contraption you've got.
Oh, that there, yeah. For YouTube. A food channel, that'll do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I've come to have one of your sandwiches today.
Okay.
I've never been here before.
Yeah.
So, what do you recommend?
We have a builder sub, which is bacon, sausage, egg, beans, tomato.
That'll do.
Mushrooms, yeah?
That'll do, I'll have one of them. Hey, is it big? Well, I'll have one of them then. Nope. That's where we are today, guys. Snack attack. Have you got social media or anything?
You've got a Facebook page, yeah.
You got a Facebook page?
Yeah, Katie there's the manager.
I can link it in my channel then, you see.
Yeah.
Is it under Snack Attack, is it?
Lichfield. Literally just as it is on there.
Yeah.
You can see our symbol.
Yeah.
And then all our information's in there.
Okay, and I'll put it on my my YouTube channel for you.
We've got a new menu starting next week.
Oh, you got a new menu starting?
Yeah. Some fried chicken wraps and stuff like that, breakfast wraps.
Oh, lovely.
We're posting on our Facebook already. If you want to interview the manager, Katie, she's got you too.
How long you been here then? I don't come down this part often.
Years and years.
Years?
I bought this off another shop and he was here 17 years.
Oh, yes, been here a while then.
Yeah. I had it just after COVID. But if you want to try the other place, another place in Lichfield Town Centre called Lunch at Loafers.
What's it called?
Lunch at Loafers.
Lunch at Loaf. I haven't been to that one yet, actually.
It's the best sandwich shop from Bradbury in Lichfield. We just moved from a sandwich shop 4 doors down and opened in Bradbury.
Right, oh, well, we're going to have a look at that then.
Yeah.
I'm going to have a look at that next week, one day. Where about in Lichfield?
Any sauce on next
Brown sauce, please. Where about in Lichfield's that, mate?
Do you know where the George the Four pub is?
Yes.
Town Hall?
Yes.
My shop was actually next door to the George. Now we moved to still fruit veg shop.
Oh, I know. Yeah, it's gone underneath, hasn't it now? Next to where the old paper shop.
Yeah. So I moved from 4 doors down.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you moved to bigger premises, ain't you?
Yeah.
I know it. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
put stairs in upstairs. So downstairs toilets.
We were coming to have a review of that, me and the missus, next week. And I'm back home. I thought I'd come home and eat it. I don't know how much I recorded. Well, it's absolutely huge. I forgot to pay, so I had to go back. I walked off and charged me £5.50. Well, I said he can have it for nothing. I said no. I went to give him some money. and he's charged me $5.50. And he says the other day he's got a tip jar. Some little scallies come and nicked all the tip jar for the ladies.
No,
Bad, innit? Bad, innit? But yeah, snack attack. Lichfield Industrial, not Lichfield Royal Industrial Estate, down Trent Valley. He's got a shop in town, which we haven't reviewed yet. That went there years ago, didn't you?
yeah, I did.
I've never been. But he's got a shop in town, which I'm going to go and review next week. He does delicious sandwiches and everything, so we're going to go and do that next week. Anyway, and this is what I bought from Water Tippers, the builders merchants. I say it's a Midland thing, Water Tippers. It's just like builders merchants, that's all it is. But they do them on Amazon as well. They're the same price as Amazon, but I wanted to have a look and see what there was. So I've got a sweet bones and butts, which we're going to do tomorrow. One of them anyway. I haven't bought them all because they're £8.99 each. We've got a honey and chilli. They're Angus and Oink. That's who they are. And we're going to have a Chinese takeaway, which I'm going to do that one tomorrow. So anyway, on to the sandwich. Right, let's have a look. How am I going to do this? How am I going to do it? Let's bring it down. Put it on the board there so I can chop it up. Got a bit of everything on it. Oh dear. How am I going to get a thumbnail out of this? How am I going to get a thumbnail? There it is at the minute. Just trying to get a thumbnail somehow, I don't know. I can't get one. Anyway, there it is. Let me cut some open. Nat's having a bit, ain't you? You having a half? Do you want half or do you want it just to, do you want half?
No, it's
How much do you want? That much?
no less than that.
Let me bring you down actually, guys.
Just give me a little corner on the edge here.
Oh, sorry. Where? There.
That'll do, yeah.
That enough? More?
Yeah, I'm not very hungry.
I'm not going to eat all that, Bab.
I'm not very hungry. I'm feeling the best.
Just want that bit there.
Yeah, okay, it's quite a little bit.
Ugh.
Thank you.
Just show them that a little bit so I can see. There it is, look. Looks well nice, doesn't it, that? To be fair. Looks well nice. Oh, yes. Let me cut a bit off for myself. Well, I'll be having all this. My belly's still in a bad way. I don't know if grease will be any good for it or not. Probably not. But hey, needs must. Whew. It's got everything on it, Bab.
That's it.
And brown sauce.
Yeah, a little brown sauce.
No. I think it's making Roxy hungry as well because she's eating food. She doesn't usually eat this time of day, does she?
No.
Right then, let's tuck in and get it everywhere. Oh, there's nothing like a belly buster. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. He had said he had a bloke come down there. And I do like a massive triple burger, and it's like that. So I might go and get one of them one day. Huge like that, he says. He says you can't eat it. He says you need a knife and fork to eat it. So that might be a video for me when I next want a burger. So because I usually don't go down that side of town there, where Chippers is, because I don't really need to. I I don't usually use that Builder's Merchants if I need to anyway. It is a bit more expensive than others. But then I seen that snack van and I thought, oh, fair play, let's pop there. And I think I made a good choice. What do you think, Bab?
I think it's well announced. It's lovely. Very nice.
Yeah. Well done, Snack Attack. It's going to take me time eating it because of my old belly. Yeah, I'll leave a link if you live in Lichfield to their Facebook thing. Got a Facebook social media in my description. I said I would. And I'm going to go and review his calf next week. It's supposed to be delicious. I've had people coming from all over to go there. So we're going to get there. And we're going to do one of these tomorrow. I think I'm going to do that one tomorrow. Chinese takeaway. Do something with it tomorrow. It's salt and pepper chili rub. They're designed, the people designed them for, which what I was looking at with Angus and Oink, designed them for barbecues, but you can use them in air fryers and ovens as well. That's what it was designed for. I think they're Scottish. But we'll review them tomorrow anyway. So, as I say, just a quick one, guys, because of my poorly belly. If you haven't seen the live stream from yesterday, want to know what I'm on about, I'll leave it up here, wherever the eye is, up there somewhere, so you can have a watch. Till tomorrow, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.